Hello, my name is Naya Vochatzer. I'm a junior at the University of Missouri-Columbia, and I work for the Missouri Climate Center as a social media specialist. Temperatures are finally starting to warm up here in Missouri, and we've already had our fair share of spring showers. After the brutal temperatures we experienced in February, and the comfortable temperatures we're feeling now, I'm sure snow is the last thing on all of our minds. But in March 1960, snow was the last thing on the minds of Missourians as well. The March proverb, "in like a lion, out like a lamb," could not have been more appropriate in Missouri than during 1960. For the first 25 days of March, the lion roared over Missouri and much of the Midwest. Frequent snowstorms and unrelenting cold weather turned the entire state into an ice cap. In fact, by mid-March, the entire northern half of the United States had snow on the ground. Temperatures in the Show Me State rarely made it above freezing during the first 3 weeks of March, and many locations reported sub-zero weather. Parts of northwestern Missouri saw temperatures dip to -20 to -25 degrees Fahrenheit. Maryville had the dubious distinction of reporting -26-degree temperatures during the morning of March 5th. The snowfall totals were unprecedented and mind-boggling. Average snowfall for the month was 24 to 30 inches over northern and central Missouri, 20 inches over southeastern sections, and generally around a foot over southwestern Missouri. Concordia reported the greatest total, a whopping 38.5 inches for the month. Union, Missouri reported the deepest snow on the ground, which was an entire 3 feet. In the past 126 years of Missouri weather records, March 1960 ranks as the coldest March with a statewide average temperature of 29.5 degrees Fahrenheit, a remarkable 15.4 degrees below normal. To put things in perspective, the temperature average was more typical of a January normal. In fact, January 1960 was warmer than March 1960. It's unlikely that we will ever experience a March so cold and snowy in our lifetime. But as the proverb predicted, the lamb finally came out during the last few days of the month, where the weather became more spring-like and temperatures actually climbed into the 80s. The thaw ensued, but unfortunately led to some major flooding when the heavy snow finally melted. If you are interested in more content like this, or interested in Missouri climate in general, feel free to subscribe or follow us on our Twitter or Facebook pages. Thank you for watching.